Also, we're looking at how we can use art, to further amplify the voices of women and young persons.
Art has a way of telling people, teaching people things. I can actually draw now without saying a word, but when you look at the artwork, you understand what I'm trying to pass. Plus, colors is a way of expressing ourselves. A child that could not talk can easily understand and express him or herself through drawing.
This is the first time I'm hearing how we can use art as a means of expression to drive awareness about gender-based violence.
If you think about the fact that 41% of the women that we have met in our lives have experienced some form of gender-based violence, I think that that's appalling.
The one thing I want to say is that we need to do more to ensure that the conversations leave the room and they are being implemented outside of the room, and people are actually aware of the issues, the solutions, and the pathway to solving this problem.
As much as possible, let's protect survivors and find a way to reprimand perpetrators.
Only women will be able to represent women. A man cannot represent my issues. He can't address my issues.
It's a good thing to have your idea, but sometimes one of the things that gets the idea bounced is that you've not tweaked it to their own direction.
I sincerely recommend that more events like this should take place. It could be quarterly, it could be biannually, so that we can always look through policies. We can also always look through laws. We can always engage stakeholders who are the most important set of people in things like this, so that we can have new policies that are going to be useful to the end users, to people that need this help. And we're sure that eventually the change that we always look for would be actualized.
As an organization, we are very big on supporting women and amplifying the voices of marginalized and vulnerable persons. And we're so excited to do this policy work because we hope that through this work, we will further reduce the statistics of women that are affected and young persons in Nigeria because of gender-based violence.